hot plate of garbage. Michael was not lying.
New York! It's crazy. City is awake. So much light. Hey guys, so we are checking out from our Airbnb and now we are heading out. Gonna go get some breakfast. Today the plan is to drive to New York. So the drive to New York is around 6 hours. We're gonna stop at Scranton, the location of the office TV series. Gonna click some pictures over there and then get back on road, head to New York because we have some plans tonight for New York as well. So we are here for our breakfast and the place is called Figmore. It's rated 4.9, so we are hoping it's good. And now we are going to office mural spot where there's a mural for the office series. We are at the mural! So we just saw the mural. Now we are going to the next place. We're here at the Scranton Welcomes You board. So we are at the sign and the sign used to be on the street but they moved it here because it's safer here and people can come just get photos and it's like preserved here. So this is the sign that you see in the TV series. We are at the Dunder Mifflin store but it turns out it hasn't been open for some time now and there is an eviction notice here, which is just sad. Dunder Mifflin is actually bankrupt now.
Michael was not lying.
We are at the Dunder Mifflin Company. So we are at the Dunder Mifflin Company and it used to be named as Pennsylvania Paper Company, but now they changed it to actually say Dunder Mifflin. By the way, fun fact, office was not shot here for the whole duration. It was just shot for a little while and the rest of it is shot in California. So that's something I got to know today. Hey guys, so we are at Alfredo's and this is the famous restaurant that you see in the office and that's why we have come here. I think the rating is also good.
This is the good Alfredo, not the bad one, which Kevin Maloney hates and called hot plate of garbage. That's the good one.
So this is the place we are going in. Let's go. This is the Dundies Award. Let's go inside.
Guru, are you planning to run a marathon after this?
The last place now, the Dwight mural.
That's it. That's it. This is it.
End of this
This is Scranton.
I'm in New York! So, it was a really long drive all the way from Niagara to Scranton and then finally to New York, and now we are here and I'm really excited and all my friends are really happy and excited as well. So right now we have checked in the hotel and we have kept our stuff and we just got ready to head out. Now we are gonna go to the Rockefeller Center, have some food, look at the view and yeah, just have a good time there. And then the next thing that is planned is Times Square. So Times Square is the place where you have the big billboards and all the big posters, and I've just seen that in movies so far. So this is my first time looking at it from this close. So I'm just really excited. We're on our way to the Rockefeller Center.
That's true.
Welcome to Top of the Rock. 3 levels of inspiring views and exciting experiences await you.
Welcome to the bright light, baby.
Hey guys, I'm standing in front of the Empire State Building. We are on top of the Rockefeller Center. The view is pretty nice. The lights are shining. The whole city is lit up. That building in the middle is the Empire State Building.
And which one is that building? That small triangle.
The Chrysler.
Yes.
The Chrysler building.
These tall buildings on the left.
These are the billionaire rows. So billionaires live there. Like it's very expensive. We are at the gift shop. So now we are out of the Rockefeller Center and in the middle of the city, near Times Square. The plan is to have some dinner and then maybe take a few stops in the Times Square, get some photos clicked. It looks so yummy and it is so yummy. We were in the mood of a bit of Mediterranean and right now we are in Times Square. Hey guys! So I'm standing in the middle of the Times Square. As you can see, there is so much light here. It is almost 1 in the night, and as you can see, there are a lot of people out here. It's like the whole city is here. No one is sleeping. It's just crazy. It's crazy, and so much light.
All looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, yeah. Come on, yeah, yeah.
It's just amazing. The feel to be in the city is amazing. It feels like the city is awake itself. Everyone here is so happy, excited, doing their own thing, and it's like it has been a long time since the last time I was living in a city. So it is going to be really exciting. The room is with this pretty view, the night view that you're seeing right now, and the morning view is going to be amazing. I can see that already. I'll show you tomorrow how it looks like. And see, there is this Statue of Liberty. We are going to see this also in like a couple of days. So I'm excited for all the stuff that we are gonna do, and yeah, really happy to be in the city.